Time is money. In your business, every hour of productivity can be worth thousands of dollars. Plus, maintenance and repairs can represent up to 30% of the total equipment cost. But routine maintenance for your equipment is often based on published service intervals and not real-world conditions, meaning you're either spending too much on maintenance or not enough. In fact, depending on the environment, the right filters on high-horsepower engines can last 2, 4, or even 8 times longer than many engine manufacturers' recommendations. That's why we've introduced FleetguardFIT, Filtration Intelligence Technology. It's a real-time filtration monitoring system that provides full visibility to filter and oil life, giving you proactive problem detection through intelligent sensing and advanced data analytics. FleetguardFIT revolutionizes conventional maintenance by enabling the key decision makers to better predict downtime, synchronize service events, and optimize maintenance spend. Here's how it works. Integrated sensors, a control module, and engine parameters use existing telematics to transmit real-time information about how your filters and engine are performing. After the data is transmitted to the cloud, advanced analytics provide recommended actions such as flagged events and status alerts, which are easily accessible via a customer portal or mobile app. This allows customers to see how many hours or miles are left before service is needed, so downtime can be scheduled only as required or synchronized with other service events. This approach also allows the customer to pinpoint system failure mechanisms and potentially prevent catastrophic engine damage. FleetguardFIT is the first monitoring technology that focuses on filtration and can be coupled with existing telematics to provide a single source for predictive diagnostics. A recent test with high-horsepower equipment found that FleetguardFIT, when combined with genuine FleetGuard filters, could reduce expenses tied to oil and filters by 55% and maintenance downtime by 44%. And because FleetguardFIT reveals how your filters are functioning in real time, unplanned downtime can be cut by 15%. FleetguardFIT works with many engine platforms and applications, Cummins or otherwise, and can help increase uptime for nearly any vehicle in your fleet. Regardless of industry, anyone relying on their equipment to get the job done can benefit from lower service costs and increased productivity through FleetguardFIT. So when you do the math, it's simple. FleetguardFIT plus genuine FleetGuard filters can equal big savings for your operation.